Hi beauties, it's Jean Persani with Beauty and the Stamper. And today, I just got back from California. And so every time I go to California, I try and stop at the Daiso store. And they charge you for bags in California. So I always pick up a new bag. So I love this bag. It's such a pretty pink. It says, enjoy every moment of your life. It's important to do what's best for you, whether people approve it or not. This is your life. You know what's good for you. And remember, self-love takes strength. So I thought that was such a pretty bag. I actually liked the colors. This is the first time I read what it actually said. But let's go ahead and get into it and see what we've got here. I picked up for some crafting, which I never have worked with it before, which is some felt. So I like this because it has 5 different colors and it's only 7 inches by 7 inches, but I thought it was cute. And I also picked up this one, which has 5 other colors, and I think we will make some flowers with that. So I grabbed those. The Daiso store is really cool because everything there, unless it's marked otherwise, is $1.50. So it is, I think in Japan it's called the 100 yen store. The 100 yen? Yeah. Or 1,000 yen? I don't remember. But anyways, it comes out to, it's their equivalent to the Dollar Tree. Anyways, or their dollar store. So I picked this guy up, and this has some really strong magnets on the back. And so this would fit perfect on one of the Raskogs or the 3-tiered rolling carts that are metal. So I picked one of those up. What else? Oh, we got... So we were at Disneyland the day that all of the coronavirus stuff broke out. And I just heard that all the ramen was gone from all the stores. And so we picked up little bits of ramen. So this says just add water. And it's got like 4 little packs of mini ramen in there. And then I picked up 2 big ramens. I like miso soup. So they had this miso ramen. Picked one of those up. And then they had this one, which is a ramen curry flavor. So I picked that up, and that's a huge bowl of ramen. So ramen is definitely not good for you, but, you know, I thought it would be nice to have. I also picked up a couple of these facial brushes. Now these, see, they're marked $2, so they are $2 a piece there. But I use them for my stamping. So I do not use them for makeup. I use them for stamping. And I have so many of them, but I have 3 that are just like this. I have it red, yellow, and blue. And then I wanted these to do the greens and the purples or oranges or something, a different color. Different colors, I guess. So I picked up 2 of those. I also picked up some more eyelashes. And I have not forgot that I'm going to do an eyelash video for you with the magnetic, what is it? The magnetic eyeliner. I definitely want to do that. So I picked these up. $1.50, you guys, for 3 pair of eyelashes. That's better than the Dollar Tree. I also picked up the little foundation sponge. So that is for my makeup. Grabbed one of those, which again, $1.50 for that is a really good price. What else do I have in here? Okay. I have a bunch of little stuff now. Oh, you guys, they had these. These are not Japanese. These are from Knott's Berry Farm, but they had boysenberry, and if I see boysenberry anything, I'm all about it. So I did grab those. Then I grabbed these. Oh, that was my sorry. These are clickable, erasable pens. And this one is in purple, so you can write with it. And then this one is in black. And I use these, let me show you. I use these on my, what is it called? It's called a rub book. So when I use them on my rub book, watch this. You can mark whatever you want on there. And then you could just use the eraser and erase it off like that, right? Or you could just use a little bit of water. So I'll get a little bit of water on the sponge here. And then you just mark it off like that. So the water gets rid of it. So these rub books, they are not paper. They're kind of like, they're coated. So you can write on there all kinds of stuff, and you just mark it off. I often use a baby wipe and wipe the whole entire pages down. So I just have tons of stuff in here that I've used these pages so many times over and over again. I'll just tell you real quick that again is called the Rub Book. They are not sponsoring me, but I will put their link down below. I got them on Amazon. And then these pens, again, they are also erasable just on regular paper. And they're by Frixion. But this is a good price. I think actually these pens were $2. But definitely worth it when you have one of those rub books. So I like them. And when I saw that they had them in the purple, I had to grab them. They had red and green. But I needed a new black one, and I thought I'd pick up one colored one. The other thing I got, now this was only 50 cents, and that was marked, is a lighter. That is just so that I have it. You never know when you need a lighter. And then finally, I don't find these. I always look, and these are little document holders. This is in the A6 size, and this will, I believe, hold a card perfectly. I believe so. And there's 2 of them in there. So you just stick your little document or whatever you want in there, and it protects it rather well. So I picked up, how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them. And that is because I've been looking for them forever. And I think my friend wanted one. So I have to ask her if that's the right size. If not, I know that I could use them. So it works out perfectly. So let's see. Yeah, I think everything is great. That's all I got for you. But that was all from the Daiso store. So if you like this, please give me a thumbs up. If you want to see more unboxings, more stamping, more DIY crafts, make sure you hit the subscribe button right here, because I will be doing more, especially since a lot of us have to stay indoors. I mean, all around the globe. So I'll try and make you some entertainment. All right, beauties, have a wonderful day, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.